Yo, what's good, everybody? A glycerin-based tincture is something that we've never done on the channel before. So in today's video, we're going to be bringing you how to make a glycerin-based tincture. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it! What's good, Good Eats 420 fam? Bassdropkeys, your friendly neighborhood Negro. And as I just told you in the intro, in today's video, we're going to be doing a glycerin-based tincture on the channel for the very first time. Now, you may be wondering why we've never done a glycerin-based tincture on the channel before. Well, to be honest with you, as I always am, you guys know that we always do a alcohol-based tincture on the channel because that's what I use to make the can of salt, the can of sugar, and we even reduce it down to make the FICO. These three things that I use it for, other than making the drinks and everything that we make with it, it's not possible to do with a glycerin-based tincture. So if you're needing to make a tincture to make your salt, your sugar, FICO, you do not want to use a glycerin-based tincture because the glycerin will not evaporate off the salt and the sugar. So it's not possible to use a glycerin-based tincture in order to make your salt and your sugar. So those right there are a couple cons that goes against glycerin-based tincture. Let's talk about a couple pros that glycerin-based tincture has going for it. Number one is, all the machines that we use right here on the channel, you can make your glycerin-based tincture. So if you got a Levo, magical butter machine, electric infuser, on-rock, all these different machines, you can definitely do a glycerin-based tincture. Another great thing that people like about glycerin-based tinctures is it does not have an alcohol taste or alcohol smell. So for the people that's always hitting me up and asking, yo Keys, I want to make a tincture, but I don't like the alcohol taste, a glycerin-based tincture will be great for you because you don't have to worry about the alcohol taste or smell. Also, whenever you're adding it to whatever you're making, you don't have to worry about changing the taste up because you guys know whenever you add alcohol to something else, you obviously can taste it. One of the great things about the glycerin is it's odorless and it doesn't change the taste of anything that you're making. And right now, guys, I think it will be a great time to mention that everything that you're seeing on the channel is available on my site, shop.goodeats420.com. So if you're looking for a magical butter machine, as I told you, you can do this in the on-rocks. You can do this in the electric infusers. Also, brand new to the site, we have the Good Eats 420 glycerin and MCT oil. The glycerin is USP, food grade, 100% pure glycerin. What does that mean? That means that it's consumable, meaning that we can use it for our edibles, but also it's pharmaceutical grade, meaning that you can use it for your skincare products, your lotions, your balms. People use glycerin for all type of things. So if you're needing glycerin to make any skincare products, whether it's lotions, balms, soaps, glycerin is used in a lot of things. Or if you need it to make your edibles, you can definitely get it from the site. I have them in 8 ounce, 16 ounce, and 32 fluid ounce bottles, which is 1 cup, 2 cup, or 4 cup bottles. It's available on the site right now, made right here in the USA, shop.goodeats420.com. So without any further ado, I've already explained to you the pros and cons of a glycerin-based tincture. Now I need to show you how to make it. It's super easy. Let's go ahead and get into it. Here we go. Alright guys, so the first thing we have to do is we have to decarb our herbs. As you can see, we have the decarb box right here. Inside of here, I have 40 grams of some herbs. I'm not going to show it on camera because I want to monetize this video, but you guys all know what herbs look like, and we're going to decarb it. As you can see right here, we have the oven on 250 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 121 degrees Celsius, and we're going to decarb it for 30 minutes. So I'm going to put this in the oven. After 30 minutes, we're going to take it out and we'll go to the next step. I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. All right, guys, so it's been 30 minutes and we just took out our decarb box. It's ready to go. It's decarbed. Everything's ready. Let's go ahead and go to the next step. Here we go. All right, guys, so we're going to be using the brand new Good Eats 420 vegetable glycerin. It is 100% pure. It's food grade kosher, made right here in the United States. If you're interested in getting some, come over to the website shop.goodeats420.com. I have 8-ounce bottles. This is a 16-ounce bottle or 2 cups, and also have 32 fluid ounce bottles, which are 4 cups. If you guys don't know, the minimum that you can do in the magical butter machine is 2 cups. So we're going to use one of our 16-ounce bottles here, 16 fluid ounce bottles, which is 2 cups of vegetable glycerin, and that's what we're going to be infusing right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bottle, I'm going to pour it in here, then we're going to put our decarbed herbs in there, plug it in, and make this glycerin based tincture. So let's go ahead and do it. Here we go. All right, so we got our glycerin inside there. Let's go ahead and put our herbs inside of there. Decarb box. All right, so that's 40 grams that we just put inside of there. All we got to do now is put the top on, plug it in, and then set our temperature and our time. Let's do it. And we're going to set it on 130. See that? 130 Fahrenheit, 54 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to do mine for 4 hours. And there we go. That's all we got to do. In 4 hours, we'll need to strain it, but we'll have some glycerin based tincture. I'll see you guys in 4 hours. Don't forget, if you want a magical butter machine, come over to the site shop.goodeats420.com. See you guys in 4 hours. All right, guys, so the cycle is complete. As you can see right here, I have my measuring cup, a strainer, and some cheesecloth. You guys know that I like to use the cheesecloth because you can just use it and then throw it away. You don't have to clean it. The filter bags that the machine comes with, they work great, but you have to clean them, or they are dishwasher safe. You can throw them in a dishwasher. Me, myself, I like to use cheesecloth, so that way we can just use it and throw it away. So the last thing that we have to do is we have to strain this, and then we're going to bottle it. What I usually do is I put it back in the bottle that it came in. So this is the bottle that it came in. We're going to filter it right now, and then we'll bottle it back up, and we'll have glycerin based tincture. Let's go ahead and strain it and bottle it. Here we go. And here we go, guys. This is our glycerin base tincture. You make it just like you do the alcohol based tincture. You don't use any water. You don't use any lecithin, anything like that. And there we have it. Alright guys, so I just got finished showing you how to make a glycerin based tincture. As you can see, it's pretty easy. I do want to invite everybody who is not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get every notification whenever I post a new video. And as you guys know, we post new videos every Friday. Come follow me on Instagram. I am Bassdropkeys. I want to thank all of my Patreon patrons and everybody that supports me right here on the YouTube membership program. I could not do everything that I do without you. Also, thanks to everybody that's watching. Until I see you guys the next time, which will be next Friday, peace and good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love.